A little research on Google about humans replace body parts with pig parts. I know when I was younger, I heard that if you needed it, you could replace somebody's blood with pig blood. Sure, chance of the diseases, viruses, pig viruses, that's why it wasn't done. But now what we're looking at is grow your own, the race to create body parts in the lab, from replacement skin to entire new organs. Regenerative medicine is finally leaving its early scandal. What they're doing with pigs is a lot of the pig organs are the same size as the humans. Now, what they're looking at doing is taking a pig organ that has been decellularized. Reason why is you replace the pig DNA with human DNA. If you haven't heard, over in China, they did a 14-year-old boy regain sight after a successful cornea transplant carried out last month in the city of blah, 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 Guangzhou or whatever it is. This is from 2016, March 11th. So you're looking at almost 2 years ago. Trying to close this out. There we go. And here we got Smithfield makes move on market for pig human transplants. They're one of the largest pig manufacturers. How many did they say they did? 22 people die each day waiting for a transplant. They do 16 million hogs a year they slaughter. Over $100 billion for medical, pet food, and non-food purposes. They're looking at doing xenotransplants and hog hearts. A hog heart is kind of close to the human heart. So what they're doing is looking to decellularize a pig heart. So this is where it's going. They're also looking into kidney, liver, and lungs. Novartis is expecting the xenotransplantation effort to be like $1 billion, but it's the pig viruses that could be passed to humans that they're worried about. That's why Novartis got out of it. And down here it said pig organs could occur in a clinical trial later this year, but will only be used on people too sick to receive human organs. So pretty much you're dying, they're going to use you as a guinea pig. So that's roughly what's going on in the world. And remember, this one was from April 2017. So this article or this web page was from a year ago. It's Reuters article. All right. Thought you might thought this was interesting. I did.